Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to visualize data using Looker Studio, step-by-step, beginner-friendly, and updated for 2026. If you already have data but don't know how to turn it into clear visuals, yeah, this guide is for you. First, open Looker Studio and sign in with your Google account. From the home screen, click Create, then choose Report. You'll see a blank canvas. This is where your visualizations will live. Now, the first thing you need is data. Click Add Data at the top and choose a data source. Google Sheets is great for beginners, but you can also use GA4, BigQuery, or uploaded files. Select your data, then click Add to Report. Once connected, you're ready to start visualizing. Next, click Add a Chart. You'll see options like tables, bar charts, line charts, pie charts, and scorecards. Start simple. A table or bar chart works well. When you add a chart, Looker Studio automatically assigns fields, you'll instantly see data appear. On the right panel, you can customize everything. Choose your dimension, like date or category, and your metric, like sales or users. Try switching chart types to see which one explains the data best. Line charts are great for trends, while bar charts are better for comparisons. Now let's make it more interactive. Add a date range control so viewers can change time periods. You can also add filters to focus on specific data, which honestly makes dashboards way more powerful. Spend a moment adjusting colors, labels, and titles so your visuals are easy to read. Keep things clean. Good data visualization is about clarity, not clutter. Finally, click View to preview your report. If everything looks good, hit Share to give access to others. And that's how you visualize data using Looker Studio in 2026. Simple, clear, and step-by-step. If this helped you, please like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe for more practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.